Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Clo3d, and I'm going to be explaining how you can change the texture of your mannequin from this to this. So before we continue, if you need the project file of this particular Agbada outfit, is available for sale on my Gumroad, and I also created a full course on how you can create this full outfit you are seeing on your screen right now. So let's get back to what we are supposed to do. I'm sure this is how your mannequin looks like, and if you don't have this mannequin in your Clo3d avatar, that means you just need to go to my description box. There's a link to download this avatar, and also there's a YouTube link also in the description box whereby you can watch a tutorial video on how you can add this particular mannequin to your Clo3d asset. So anytime you launch your Clo3d software, you always see it in your avatar, either male or female. You have this particular type of avatar and some other avatar that are here. So let's continue, but don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more video. So for you to change the texture of the avatar to a metallic texture, all you just need to do is to select the avatar. So I'll click on the head, or I'll select the head of the avatar. Yes, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to change from fabric matte, go to the property editor, change from fabric matte to metallic or metal, sorry. And then we have this. Can you see? And that's just how to do this. Also, if you want to change it to golden, all you just need to do is to just change the color. So select the avatar. Yeah, double click to select the full avatar. But if you just want to select a single part, just select one. Just click once. If you don't select the full body, double click, and you should be able to select the full body. That's just it. I will scroll down to color, and you can change this from here to this. Let's change it to yellow. Become okay, and select this. And you see, apply and close. I deselect, and you can see we have this golden look of the avatar. So that's just how you can change the texture of your avatar from this to this. So thank you once again for watching this video. You can always check my Gumroad if you need access to project file, which I put out there for sale, or if you want to learn how to create this full outfit you are seeing on my Clo3d right now. The course is there, quite affordable. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you in my next tutorial.